Okay, let's talk about Power BI. It's Microsoft's tool for making sense of really complex data.
Sound familiar? So many businesses are just swimming in raw data with no idea what to do.
I mean, it's coming from everywhere. Spreadsheets, the cloud, but getting actual insights, that's the hard part.
And this is exactly the problem Power BI was built to solve. It helps you make sense of it all.
The whole point is to be powerful, but also super easy to use, turning those insights into action.
So how does it actually work? Well, just think of it like a pipeline for your data.
Okay, step 1. It pulls in data from basically anywhere you can think of. Step 2 is where the magic happens. It cleans up all that messy data for you. Then, for step 3, you build reports with charts and graphs to find the story and the data. And finally, step 4, you create a dashboard, pinning all your key visuals onto one single page.
Your main tool for all this is Power BI Desktop. It's a free app for building everything out.
Now, once your report is ready, you publish it to what's called the Power BI service. Think of it as the cloud hub where you share your work and build those final dashboards.
And get this, you can even check on live reports and dashboards right from your phone.
So how does this actually play out in the real world? Well, let's take a look at Meijer.
They've got over 230 stores, so they needed to understand customers on a massive scale to compete.
And that massive number? That's how many rows of data they analyze in real time using Power BI.
The result? Their teams get data faster and make way smarter decisions with up-to-the-minute sales info.
So here's the main takeaway. It puts seriously powerful data tools into everybody's hands, not just experts.
It really turns data from a huge headache into a huge opportunity. Your data has a story to tell.